What's up? We're back out in the shop. It's been a minute. Got sick over the holidays. Spent a few weeks feeling like crap, so I haven't had a lot of time to get anything done around here. As you can see, the cab's sitting up on the frame since the last time we showed any video. Unfortunately, when we were lifting it up on there, I forgot to turn the camera on. We had a pretty sketchy forklift figured out with the front end bucket on the Kubota. Unfortunately, we didn't get too much of that, but we got the cab up on there, and I started working on the rocker yesterday, so I'll show you some of that, what we're doing with that today to get the floor built in this thing, and we'll get going to town. Oh yeah, I still haven't showed you guys we got the engine put in it too, so I'll show a little bit of that as well, and we'll go from there. Just waiting for Big Red to show up, and we'll get rolling on it. Big Red's in the house.
Start it up.
Smoke's coming out. Still got to build the floor, but motor's in, cab's in pretty much where it needs to be. Body mounts in. Good sturdy 1/4 inch thick rocker, so if I do come down on a rock, anything wheeling, it ain't gonna hurt it. Now we just gotta see what chunks of that S10 blazer floor we're going to use to cut apart and put in there. Probably use the hump and part of the firewall. And then we'll patch the rest of it in. Build us a frame for the seats to sit on. It's coming along. Firewall will fit right in there. Once you cut it out, wherever we're going back with it, you know. Ain't too bad. I mean, hell, I got that much room above my head, so we could probably go up another 4 inches with the seat. Yeah. I'm in the process of putting together some merch and getting a website built to sell that merch on. I'll put a link here so you go check it out. I don't quite have the merch ready yet, but remember to comment below and let me know if you're interested in either a t-shirt or a sticker, the sale of which would help support the build. Subscribe to follow the build, #FreedomWillys. Check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your adventures aimless.